How's it going, everyone? My name is KL. You wanna practice to improve your reading skill? Well, I'm making this short clip to help you just that. Today, we will focus on reading for this week. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to show you a text. I will slowly read it and hope you do too. And afterward, I'm going to ask you some questions to see how much you understand and how much you remember from what you have read. Today, the topic is forest fire. By the way, just so you know, this level is just for beginning of English students, so I hope you enjoy it. Before I begin, I'd like to go over some vocabularies. There are some words you may find in the reading. The first one is fire. Fire. Again, fire. It is a noun. In Vietnamese, it means đám cháy. Đám cháy. The next one is dog. Dog. Again, dog. It is an adjective. It means tối, tối tăm, tối mịt in Vietnamese. The next word is season. 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 It is a noun. In Vietnamese, it means mùa. Ví dụ, 4 mùa trong năm. So, we have 4 seasons in a year. In the spring, vào mùa xuân. In the summer, vào mùa hạ. In the fall, vào mùa thu. And in the winter, vào mùa đông. The next word is danger. Danger. Again, danger. Danger is a noun. It means mối nguy hiểm, hiểm họa, hay là tai nạn. The next word is leap up. Leap up. Leap up. It means phát tán, hay là lan rộng ra, hay là bốc cháy. Now you know these words. Keep an eye for those as you read the text, and hopefully you understand the material better. I'm going to show you the text as well as I will slowly read the text. Try your best to remember the information. Are you ready to learn about the forest fire? Let's begin. Forest fires. A forest is a place where lots of tall trees that are close together. The inside of a forest is very dark. Sometimes a forest burns. That's called a forest fire. The danger of a forest fire is not very great in the winter or spring. In these seasons, things are wet and trees do not have dry leaves. The danger of a forest fire is not very great in the summer because the leaves on the trees are alive, so they are not dry. In the fall, the leaves died and become dry. Many dry leaves are on the ground in the fall. So, if a small fire starts, it may grow larger as it moves through the dry leaves on the ground. Soon, that fire may leap up into the trees and become a terrible forest fire. Forest fires kill wild animals and trees. Large forest fires may burn for weeks. They may destroy millions of trees. And it may take more than 200 years for the forest to grow back. Now that you've read that information about the forest fire, I have some questions for you, and I'll give you a little bit time to think about the answers, and I will tell you what it is. Here's the first question. What do we call a place where there are lots of tall trees close together? Chúng ta gọi cái nơi mà có nhiều cái cây to, lớn, sống gần với nhau là gì? Okay, I'll give you some minutes, some moment to think about the answers. Alright, I guess you have the answer. So the answer will be forest. So you get it right? Alright, are you ready for the next question? Sometimes something bad happens to the forest. What's that? Thỉnh thoảng cái gì đó xấu xảy ra cho những khu rừng. Vậy chuyện đó là chuyện gì? Alright, your turn to think about the answer. Well, I guess you have to answer. The answer will be a forest fire. Did you get it right? Great. Alright, let's move on to the third question. In which season would there be the most forest fires? Vào mùa nào thì có khả năng là cháy rừng nhiều nhất? Alright, go ahead and think about the answer. I think you answer in the fall. Correct? Great. Let's move on. Question number 4. In winter, is the ground usually wet or dry? Vào mùa đông, mặt đất thường ẩm ướt hay là khô ráo? Now tell me your answer. Do you answer wet? If so, you are right. Let's move on to number 5. In the summer, are the leaves dead or alive? Vào mùa hè thì những cái lá cây chết hay là những cái lá cây còn sống hay là còn tươi? Okay, if you answer alive, you are correct. Good job. Let's move on to the next one. What else do the forests kill? What else do the forest fire kill? Vậy cháy rừng nó sẽ giết thêm cái gì, giết cái gì nữa? Ngoài nó sẽ làm tàn hại những cái cây cối, nó làm chết những cây cối thì nó còn giết cái gì nữa? Alright, is your answer is about animals? Yes, you are right. Animals. Question number 7, the last question. About how long could it take for a forest to grow back? Khoảng độ bao lâu thì những cái khu rừng bị cháy đó nó sẽ sinh trưởng trở lại? Well, pretty much it's very clear in the text. It says 200 years. Is this a long time? And do you get the right answers? Great. So that's it for the text today about forest fire, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. And check back for the next week practice. I'll see you later. Okay.